Biluga yan.
Dito si paring Carlo.
45 degrees. Diba, medyo unstable yung body mo. Yeah, that's better. Unstable siya.
Set. Lagyan lang.
Oh!
Saan ko yun? To?
Gusto ko, gusto ko!
Diba?
Bakit
Straight back.
2011? Yung baril.
What you did was you flinched. You anticipated the recoil. And you, diba?
Okay.
You tried to pull it down now. So just pull it back lang talaga. Straight back, straight back. That's why the bullet really moved. Straight back. Wala na kapalingan. Siya lang.
Sino sunod? Si Paco?
25.
Ayaw.
Ako sunod kay Paco.
Kaya na siya.
Opo.
Okay. Straight back lang.
How did I shoot?
Nasa
7.
8 siguro. 7.
Good. Perfect. Safety up.
Kumuha ka na agad ng sabit.